IDP singgi matang yaona buffer zone thamjinba amadi governance ke asoiba kaya lakadoriba monsoon session da pukhatkadouri linamda Manipur health amadi education da failed oire haina Lok Sabha ki MP Dr. Angomcha Bimal akoi jamna phongdorakte wafam asinga se monsoon session da session ga mai leina kai samthung da leiba mahaki yum da pangthokiba pawmising unaba amada phongdokhibani pawmising unaba aduda mahak na makhata na hai lamdam asida chahi anigi mamangdagi ngasi fawbo chatharakliba irang asna relief camp ta laiba IDP sing mayumda hanjinba ngamdabagi awaba yauna macha masu kaya laik ningthina tamhanba ngamdre IDP singida mapakhat hankiba thabak kaya mai pakna Olabra haibasi achobo wahangni loina lamdam asida buffer zone thamjinduna lamdam asigi miyoi sing mafam amadagi mafam amada ningtamna chatpa yadri masina lamdam asigi miyamda charang na hali IDP singna hojik fawba thingnariba khudong chadaba kaya amade Manipur gi hojik koiriba phibam kaya asi monsoon session da pukhatnaba sem sari amaronda lamdam asigi lairiba lenga ki health center kaya nurse masing sudabagi awaba mayoknari loina lenga ki school gi Phibam aduki matik sokna waza sing tolop ning thina pidana lairi asigum balenga ki asoiba kaya aseshu pukhatna basem sari haiki
IDP ki mayumda hanjan makopugi one key instrument kanjaina government of policy si matangda second moi huju labor conditions da justice for IDP da moi injustice form of level je moi already tortured over life am ken one let's say this is the second issue akoi na third normalize of na buffer zone harga Manipur thugai na bagi man da karinta tawdida free movement jahan de it's a constitutional issue ni a communal basis the sumaina mi chatpathing ko in itself it's against article 15 you are discriminating people on the basis of their race or place of birth article 15 the yar negate tawni du free movement article 19 ju tawni which is linked to Article 21. Manipur Tugai communal and Tugai Machin Sulaiti so I buffer zone practically this is the third issue. Fourth, there are a lot of governance issues. Maru in the Disadaki central scheme state government say many of these government related governance related issues are to be raised, and I think I request to media people please keep monitoring any development parliamentary hanke du follow up kari ko we ai ko sona kan dai isina ko me am pull up ta ga asoi me am chu thong no ba tawsi